everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy chicken breast recipe. So it will be pan fried chicken breast. And only ingredients we're going to use: salt and black pepper. Get a knife. Place it chicken breast like this, and we're going to slice through. Just like this. We're not going to cut all the way through. And look at this. Nice chicken breast. Big chicken breast. Get a salt. And we're going to put salt. Salt is always to taste. So add according to your taste. And black pepper. Turn it over. We're going to add salt on this side. And black pepper. Now we'll take this one to our gas. Start burner. Get a fry pan. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Just we're going to make sure it's nicely coated at the bottom. We're going to keep the gas on high. Once the pan heats up, then we'll bring the gas to medium. As the pan heats up, put the chicken breast and bring the gas on medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes on medium gas. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes with the cover lid. I'm going to open it. And we're going to flip it over. Same thing. We're going to cover it again and we're going to cook additional 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes with the cover lid. If you check the chicken breast, it still needs more cooking. Now bring the gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and now let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we'll take it out and we'll be fully done. Another 5 minutes on simmer. I'll open it. As you can see, nice color. It's fully cooked. So the chicken breast is all ready. I'll turn off the gas. Very tasty and quick and easy and simple chicken breast. Let me share with you. As you see, this is a quick and easy pan fried chicken breast with only salt and black pepper. And I love hot sriracha. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this quick and easy chicken breast pan fry, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.